Hi folks, I'm going to go over the necessary dependencies we need to download for our personal website project. First off, we need to download Git, which is a version control system we'll use for our code. First off, just copy this, open up your terminal. I usually just do the Spotlight Search terminal and this opens it up. Paste it here, hit enter. If you don't see something like this, it will prompt you to install Git and possibly Xcode. So just go through that installer and you'll be good to go. Afterwards, we need to download Go. Depending on your machine, you will either download the ARM version or the Intel version. You can check what architecture your Mac is using by going to the About section and check the chip here. If it says something like M1, M2, M3, you're using the ARM version, so you want to download this one. If it says Intel chip, you want to download this one. So just hit download. And then open up your downloads. It will show up as something like this. Double click. And since I already have it downloaded, that's what shows up for me, but just go through that installer and we're good. Afterwards, we need to download Homebrew. All you need to do is to copy this and paste it in your terminal, hit enter. And yeah, just keep hitting enter if it asks you to. Right, now you have Brew installed. We need to install Hugo, which is what we're going to use for the majority of our time with the personal website. All you need to do here is to install by typing in brew install Hugo. And you might see an error like this, don't worry. What you want to check now is which brew you are using. If you see user local bin brew, it means that you're using the Intel install. But if it shows up as something like opt homebrew bin brew, it means you're good to go. But if you're like me and you see this, you want to install, reinstall or migrate homebrew. And I'll give you the code for this, but just type that in and install again. After that, you will paste in another command that I will give to you. And then reinstall Hugo. Right. If you see this right here, you have successfully installed Hugo. You can check that by saying Hugo version. If you see a version like this, it means you're all set.